80% of our agricultural produce goes to EU. And of course, as a country, we are basically an agricultural country, and that's where our GDP, most of it comes from. Which means, therefore, EU is a great friend to Kenya, because your friend is the person who helps you with money, particularly when it is business, instead of just loans. And loans are good, grants are good, are very good, but this is now our selling to the EU.
On the side of the European Union, we're very keen to further strengthen the economic and commercial ties that exist between the European Union states and Kenya. Something like 80% of Kenya's agricultural exports go to the European Union, but we're keen still to take more.